Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. Well, today I started up my Cadillac and I noticed something unusual. The cluster lights were acting funny. Have you guys seen anything like this? This is a short video just to kind of show you what's going on with my cluster, and I'm just wondering if you guys know anything about this stuff. I'm thinking it's a fuse. Hopefully it's not a bad cluster. Anyway, if you could, please leave a message at the bottom and tell me what you think it is. When I started it up this morning, it acted normal. It doesn't seem like there's something wrong. Everything is working normally. It's just that the numbers look very confusing. I was thinking maybe one of you guys had kind of went through this, and hopefully you can give me some tips of which direction I should go into, or maybe you even know what is wrong with it. Anyway, if you could, let me know how you fixed it, and just leave a message at the bottom. Or just hear your thoughts on the subject. Would be very, very grateful. Or any other thoughts on this issue. Anyway guys, if you can give me some pointers, that'd be great. Leave your message on the bottom. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and of course hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!